welcome to Peniel Educates. In this video series, we'll be looking at buying and selling of shares. Now, one of the ways used by companies to raise money is to issue shares, and it enables the members of the public to be part owners of the company. And the buyers of shares, we call them shareholders. The buyers of shares, we call them shareholders. And when you buy shares, you pay through banks. You can pay cash to banks to buy shares. Now, the selling price of each share or its market price may be its nominal value, but it could be above or below. Now, when a 1 naira share is sold for 1 naira cash, so we said this is at par. I mean, we're selling at par. But when a 1 naira share is sold above 1 naira cash, that means it's above par. Say it is above par, or we're selling at premium, that means we're selling at a price which is higher than the share. But if you are selling below the share, if 1 naira share is sold below 1 naira cash, that means you are selling below par, or we say you are selling at a discount. Okay. Now, looking at this example, a transport company sells its shares at 50 kobo each in multiple of 100. A. Find the cost of 900 shares. How many shares can be bought for 3,000 naira? So we're told that we should find the cost of 900 shares. Now, don't forget that 50 kobo is sold at multiple of 100. That means 100 shares is equal to 50 kobo. A transport company sells its shares at 50 kobo each in multiple of 100. It means 100 shares is sold at 50 kobo. So that means 1 shares is going to be sold at 50 kobo over 100 shares. Right, so we have 5 here. That's 1. So that will be half kobo. That means 0.5 kobo. Now, what will be the cost of 900 shares? So we just multiply it, 900 multiplied by half, and it's going to give us 450 naira. Now, let us look at other examples. Now, a company is able to sell its 80 kobo shares at 90 kobo. So that means this is the worth of the share. It's 80 kobo and it's being sold at 90 kobo. It means that we are selling at premium, that is above the cost of 1 share. Now, what is the nominal value of each share? Now, the nominal value of each share is 80 kobo. That is the thing. That's the nominal value. Is 80 kobo. That is the face value. Now, the market price is 90 kobo. That means we're selling, above par, or we're selling at premium. Now, 1 share is 90 kobo, which is 0.09 naira. Right, so what is the selling price at 450 shares? What is the selling price of 450 shares? So we want to find this. Now, 1 share is 90 kobo, which is the market price. That's the selling price. Then 450 shares will be 450 plus multiply times this. Then that means for 450 shares, we are going to pay 405 naira. Now, in this example, we're told to find how many 75 kobo shares can be bought with 150 naira at 75 kobo each. So that means we are selling at par. Okay, how many 75 kobo shares can be bought with 150 naira at 75 kobo each? That means the selling price of 1 share is 75 kobo. Okay, so that means 0.75 naira, is equal to 1 share. Now 150 naira can then be 150 multiplied by 1, okay, divided by 0.75. So you've done that, then you're going to get 200 shares. So that means for 150 naira, we're going to buy 200 shares. Now, how many 75 kobo shares can be bought with 150 naira at 1 naira each? So that means one share at the selling price, at the selling price is 1 naira. So it means we are selling above par because the thing is 75 kobo. Now, 1 naira is equal to 1 share. All right, so if 1 naira is equal to 1 share, then 150 naira will be this. So that means for 150 naira, we can get 150 shares at 1 naira per share, which is different from when we're saying, when it's being sold at 75 kobo each. So at 75 kobo each, because it's lesser, we'll get 200. We've got 200 shares. So for this one, because 1 naira at 1 share, then we have 150 shares. So you can do more of this, more of exercise on selling and buying of shares. All right, I hope this video has been very informative. I want you to join me in the other video where we'll be looking at dividend. I'll be looking at dividend. I want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. We want to hear from you. So see you in the other videos. Bye.